After a week-long break, I find the Nasdaq 100 pushing the 13k area. As per my last video, I mentioned how a retest of 11688 was necessary, confirming the level as support in order to enable a low to be put in and a rally to begin. Well, as you can see here in the daily chart, price held this 11688 support level twice, last Tuesday and Wednesday, before kicking on higher. Price cleared the 12180 resistance level and closed the week strongly before breaking above this light blue trend line you see. This was following the Fed minutes, which stated further 50 basis point rate hikes were to come. What's happened this week is that price has formed bullish consolidation, with price setting up for a potential test of the next key resistance area around 13035 to 60. This will be a big test for bulls, and I do expect some level of pullback here should the breakout occur next week. And that's simply because the level of 13035 is big, and it follows an oversold bounce we've had over the last couple of weeks. We've also had two influential figures this week publicly state their concerns over the US economy. Firstly, JP Morgan CEO Jamie Dimon warned investors to brace themselves, as the banking giant CEO confirmed that JP Morgan itself is being cautious. And then on Friday, an internal memo sent by Elon Musk stated that he plans to cut staff numbers by 10% as he suspends hiring because of a super bad feeling about the economy. I mean, these kind of headlines do not help sentiment for bulls, especially as momentum has been with the bears for a number of weeks. However, for the time being, the market at the moment is generally shaking off any negative press, including comments from Fed officials on rate hikes. And that is simply because the major indices have been relentlessly sold off, that an oversold bounce was only a matter of time. Now, whether this is just a bounce will be dictated by what happens next week to the Nasdaq 100. We currently have a bullish flag pattern. However, the 12,500 area, where price has reacted and bounced several times, must hold in order for the pattern to remain intact. If this area is lost, the bullish consolidation is lost, and we head back down to 12,180. If price holds this area around 12,500, there is every chance we get another shot at the 13,035 to 60 area. How price reacts next week against that 12,500 will be key. And if you want to know more about bull flags and how they work, check out my tutorial on this in the description box below. With that said, thank you for watching, and do hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future content, and I'll see you at the next one.